I hope you can hear me. The background noise is the vacuum. We have people come to clean every other Thursday. That's what that noise is. I'm taking this video from the dining room window. Um, just wanted you to get a different viewpoint of, you know, where the birds come from. But I really hope you enjoy this. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Thursday. I hope you have a very, very, very blessed day. There you see the cows. I hope you have a very blessed day, as I said. Again, to repeat myself, thank you for watching.